Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Let's Crack OPSC. Hope all of your preparation going well. And before I go to today's discussion regarding the notification, especially I would tell you that whatever happened in 2021, you have to leave that behind. Whether it is good or bad, you have to take that in a positive sense and start next year 2022 in a positive note by approaching positively towards life especially. And advance, I would say happy new year to all of you. Take the new year especially in that particular spirit that in 2022 you are going to crack the OCS examination especially, and this year 2022 especially it is going to be a massive help for all of you. Many of you have our content, you might have seen that my content uploading has come down because I have started setting the content for your prelims main examination especially, and in a short while we will be declaring that to you through our YouTube video especially in form of a book we will be publishing specially, that is going to be very much helpful to all of you especially. So the thing is, the Odisha government OPSC has notified this particular thing, as many of you people will be asking that when the exams 2021 exam OCS examination notification will be out, and I was telling them that probably in the last week of December, and finally they have notified it today on the last day of the 2021 especially, because there is some kind of a high court judgment is there that every year they have to be clearing the whatever the vacancies are coming, they are supposed to be notifying it OPSC, and the OPSC is following the same high court guidelines. Some guidelines is there for which they have to clear every year. Before the ending of the year they have to notify how many vacancies are there of that particular year, especially OPSC civil services examination. So this year they have given another wonderful number of vacancies, more than 392. It is 405 number of vacancies. It is also you can say a one kind of a bumper year also, because 400 vacancies is quite huge especially. If you will compare that with 2019 number of vacancies which was only 153 number, and it is 401, more than almost you can say closer to 3 times. I know 3 times it would have been 459, but still 405 is almost 3 times, So you can see the number of vacancies has increased. Male is 273 and 132, female is 132. And I have broken down how many number of male vacancies and female vacancies are there in the respective category also. That you are male, it will be somewhere around 144 number of vacancies. You are male 144, you are female 72. Then SCBC male 25 and SCBC female 11. That is, if you will add both, it will be 36. Then SC male, it will be 45. SC female, it is 21. So if you will add both, you will be getting 66. Then ST male, it is 59. ST male 59, quite huge. Then ST female 28. It is also huge. So it is huge number of opportunities there. If you will add all, you will be getting 405. And there is gender neutral. You do not include this as this particular 405 especially. The gender neutral is PWD, Public Welfare Department, especially the physical handicap. 18, ex-serviceman it is 7, then sports person 03, this many number of vacancies are there this time. Then registration will start from 10 January 2022 to 9 February 2022. So this is the date, and the last date of submission of application is 18 February 2022 especially. And the details of that particular notification is there in the description box. you can download it the same. You can also visit on the OPSC website. You can download it from there also. And all those people who are preparing for 2020 main examination, do not be in a hurry. You can fill up the form after completion of your exam. Currently you supposed to be focusing entirely on your main examination. Do not distract by this notification and start doing all the formality. You supposed to be focusing entirely on your main examination specially, and give 110% effort in your main examination. Do not think that there is a second chance. You might not be having the second, means clearing the main prelim examination again. Think that you are not going to clear the prelim examination again and you have to crack this time only. I always tell to all our course participants that they have to crack the examination on this attempt only. That is the attitude you supposed to be having. Do or die attitude. That's supposed to be there in you in order to crack a examination like OPSC Civil Services examination specially. This year I am telling you, I will be providing the best possible content which is not available in OPSC examination market specially. So stay tuned till the examination of main examination. My complete focus will be setting your content for prelim as well as main examination, which is currently going on. After completion of the examination only, then we will be starting full-heartedly for OPSC 2021 specially, which we will be having in 2022 specially. So once again, best of luck to all of you. And in this particular video only I am repeating, any score over 110, irrespective of your category, in prelim examination I am repeating all those students that any score above 110 only will be safe. Do not go for anything less. If you are scoring, if for example somebody is scoring 10 marks, for scoring 110 marks you shouldn't be appearing only 55 questions. It is quite foolish of you if you are appearing only 55 and you think that whatever you have appeared, it is going to be 100% right. For scoring 110 marks, you have to appear 65, at least 65 correct you have to do. And if you have appeared around 85 or 90 questions, there will be deduction from those particular questions, negative mark, and then only you will be falling more than 110. So in the notification video itself I am making it clear that all scores above 110, all scores above 110 will be the safe score. So for scoring 110 marks you have to 65 correct questions. Even if you wronged at least 25 or 30 questions, that will be, though your score will again will be more than 110. So that's supposed to be your target. So I hope I make myself clear very much. Do not misread, do not think in a negative way. All scores over 110 will be the safe score. Do prepare hard and stay tuned. We will be letting you know about our book publication specially. It is going to be a very much beneficial. This time it is going to be, because last time also it was a learning lesson, and we will be moving in that particular direction, that where OPSC is looking at right now. Thank you very much. Happy learning, and once again a very happy new year to you and your family. May all your good wishes come true and in the coming year 2022. Thank you very much.